Even though I hit you, have slapped you, even though I have choked and have hurt you, I still went to court saying I didn't want you locked up. This was the beginning of an audio recording brought into evidence during FBI case agent Rafael Fernandez's testimony. Defendant Yona Mayor Jesse Blas allegedly was speaking to his girlfriend, Vicky Lynn Tydingco, who made the voice recording. Also in the playback, the village mayor stated, quote, "You better think twice. I'm very connected in the court here. I can make expletive happen. They were pushing to get that warrant out, and it had nothing to do with Joey Terlahi," end quote. Blas said he was texting his connections and that Tydingco was already turning to the easy way out. Tydingco has been identified as the initial complainant that is cooperating with the government in their case against Blas. Blas was charged with 6 counts of extortion and 7 counts of bribery for allegedly permitting a confidential informant posing as a drug trafficker to use U.S. Postal Service village cluster boxes to smuggle in meth. During today's new detention hearing before Chief Judge Francis Tydingco Gatewood, FBI agent Fernandez testified additional information to his previous testimony given during Blas's arraignment. Defense counsel Joseph Rosano referred back to that testimony during the cross-examination, asking Agent Fernandez about the barbecue incident. It was stated in court that there were at least 6 people present, all of which are under investigation. It was during that barbecue that Tydingco was struck by Blas, and in addition, it was stated today that Joey Terlahi allegedly also struck her and was the one who dragged her into the house. This came after Terlahi asked to be introduced to Tydingco's female friend, and she denied his request and stated, "Why do you have a second expletive? You have a wife at home." Blas was Tydingco's third-party custodian, and she was in violation of her release conditions, having been drinking at the barbecue and initially appeared there alone. Rosano argued the defendant was protecting her. Attorney Rosano also brought into evidence the sealed plea agreement of the confidential informant that posed as the drug trafficker, Brenda, stating she was convicted for lying. During the redirect, U.S. Assistant Attorney Laura Sabataro asked in regards to Blas as the third-party custodian. Agent Fernandez said Tydingco was told by another female to call Blas, and that as long as she continued to have sex with him, then she would never be drug tested and warrants would not be acted upon by local court marshals. It was alleged that Tydingco did not know Blas prior to her hearing. Tydingco currently resides in Saipan with her parents and works for her father. Since the mayor's arrest, she has told FBI that she feels in danger, but declined being sent away for protection because she wants to stay with her children. Both parties argued on the Bail Reform Act, whether Blas is a serious risk, and on obstruction of justice. Rosana argued for the court to fashion pretrial release conditions, and Sabataro argued he is a danger to the community and should be detained until trial in December. The Chief Judge asked the U.S. Probation Office for the recommendation, and they said there are no conditions to mitigate and ensure Blas is not a danger to the community. As of news time, a written decision has not been issued. Until then, Blas will continue to be detained. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.